Hi and welcome to the News Chronicle TV. My name is Hassan Haruna. Here are the news that have been trending in the northern Nigeria. Sharia court in Kano State on Wednesday ordered a 29-year-old man, Abdul Jabir Nura, to be remanded in correctional center for stabbing his neighbor over an electricity bill. Now, the Minister of FCT, Nelson Wike, has defended the ongoing project, stating that compensation will only be paid to those whose houses were affected. Now move to Niger State. After spending 400 million naira in 6 years without completing Suleja international markets, Niger State government has budgeted another 150 million naira for it in 2025. Now, Jigawa State Governor Umar Namadi has discovered fraud in the 4.8 billion naira Ramadan feeding in the state. He discovered this during an unexpected visit to some cooking and distribution centers in Duze on Wednesday. Now, insecurity, the Nigerian police force gunned down 21-year-old notorious kidnapper Dogo Saleh in FCT. Now move to Borno State. 3 Nigerian police officers have sustained injuries following bomb explosion along Maiduguri Damaturu Road in Borno State. The IED was suspected have been planted by the ISWAP terrorists. Don't forget, this update is brought to you by the News Chronicle. You can share your view in the comment sections. Like, comment, and share. Still on insecurity, gunmen killed 6 children in Ogbe Forest, Kogi State, while they were grazing cattle. Still on insecurity, pregnant woman, 5 others killed in Nasarawa, farmers and herders clash. Now politics, a northern group within the People's Democratic Party (PDP) is advocating for a competent hand to lead the party amid the ongoing crisis. Nasarawa State Governor Abdullahi Sule said removing President Bola Ahmed Tinubu will not be easy. Still on politics, Daniel Bola said El-Rufai is motivated by ambition rather than ideology. Atiku, Oshibanjo, Peter Obi, and other ex-Buhari officials among political figures planning to join SDP, according to new reports. Federal government is the one founding crisis in LP, PDP, and NNPP. El-Rufai accuses and vows to mobilize against APC in 2027. Now from the international scene, Iran tells Donald Trump to do whatever the hell he wants to over nuclear talks. Nigerian woman falsely discovered died has appeared in court via video link from Nigeria to stop a convicted fraudster from seizing her 350,000 euro London home. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channels at the News Chronicle. You can follow us in X, Facebook, like, comment, and share. Thank you and see you next.